Discover the best of China with China Connect. From insider tips to must-see destinations, we'll guide you through living, studying, traveling, and working in this fascinating country. Let's get started. The Chinese language, particularly Mandarin, is considered one of the most difficult languages to learn for non-native speakers. But don't let that discourage you. We've put together a list of 10 engaging, humorous, and practical tips that will help make your Mandarin learning journey a little easier and a lot more fun. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of Chinese characters, tones, and grammar. Number 1. Embrace the tones. Sing your way to fluency. Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language, meaning that a single syllable can have multiple meanings depending on the tone used. There are 4 main tones and a neutral tone, which can be a bit intimidating for beginners. But fear not. Here's a fun way to tackle those tones. Sing them. Think of each tone as a musical note with its unique pitch contour. Create melodies and sing along to your favorite Chinese songs. This will not only help you remember the tones, but also make the learning process more enjoyable. Before you know it, you'll be belting out Mandarin tunes like a pro. Number 2. Make friends with Chinese characters. Draw. Don't write. Chinese characters can seem like a daunting maze of strokes and radicals. But what if we told you that learning Chinese characters can be turned into an artistic adventure? Instead of seeing them as mere written symbols, think of them as beautiful drawings that represent meaning. Start by practicing simple characters and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Take your time to appreciate the aesthetics and history behind each character. This will not only help you remember them better but also add a touch of artistry to your learning experience. Number 3. Context is king. Learn vocabulary in thematic chunks. Learning random vocabulary words can be a bit dull. And it can be hard to remember them in isolation. Instead, try learning vocabulary in thematic chunks. This means grouping words together based on a common theme or topic, such as food, travel, or family. Create your own vocabulary lists or use pre-made ones available online. Use flashcards or apps to review your words regularly. By learning words in context, you'll build up your mental lexicon more efficiently, and it will be easier to recall words when you need them. Number 4. Embrace Chinese pop culture. Movies, TV shows, and music. Oh my, one of the most enjoyable ways to learn Mandarin is through immersing yourself in Chinese pop culture. Watch Chinese movies and TV shows. Listen to music, and follow Chinese social media influencers. This will not only help you improve your listening skills, but also expose you to colloquial language and slang. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Start with English subtitles, and as your language skills improve, switch to Chinese subtitles. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn just by enjoying Chinese pop culture. Number 5. Find your language buddy. Practice makes perfect. Finding a language exchange partner or tutor is crucial for achieving fluency in Mandarin. Practicing with a native speaker will help you improve your pronunciation, listening skills, and gain confidence in speaking the language. There are plenty of language exchange websites and apps to help you find the perfect partner. Alternatively, join a local Chinese language meetup group or take part in cultural events where you can practice your conversational skills. Remember, the key is consistency and practice. Number 6. Take advantage of technology. Apps, podcasts, and online courses. There's a wealth of technology available to help you learn Mandarin more effectively. Make use of language learning apps, podcasts, and online courses to supplement your studies. Apps like Anki, Plico, and Duolingo are great for on-the-go learning, while podcasts like Chinese Pod and Coffee Break Chinese can help improve your listening skills. For a more structured approach, consider enrolling in an online course from platforms like Coursera or edX. Number 7. Master the art of Chinglish. It's okay to mix languages. When you're learning Mandarin, it's natural to encounter situations where you don't know the exact Chinese word or phrase. In these cases, don't be afraid to use a bit of Chinglish, a mix of Chinese and English. While it's not the most elegant solution, it can help you communicate effectively and continue your conversation. As your Mandarin skills improve, you'll find yourself relying on Chinglish less and less. But remember, it's always better to express yourself imperfectly than not at all. Number 8. Laugh at your mistakes. Humor is the best medicine. Mistakes are inevitable when learning any new language, and Mandarin is no exception. When you inevitably make a mistake, don't let it discourage you. Instead, laugh it off and learn from it. Did you accidentally call someone horse, ma, instead of mother, ma, due to a tonal slip-up? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Embracing a sense of humor when learning Mandarin will help you stay positive, motivated, and more resilient in the face of challenges. Number 9. Set realistic goals. Progress, not perfection. Mandarin is a complex language, and it's essential to set realistic goals for yourself. Break your learning journey into smaller, achievable milestones, such as learning a certain number of characters or being able to hold a basic conversation. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and continuously reassess your goals as you move forward. This will keep you motivated and on track toward fluency. Number 10. Immerse yourself in the culture, travel, food, and festivals. Lastly, one of the most enjoyable aspects of learning Mandarin is exploring Chinese culture. Immerse yourself in the rich history, traditions, and customs of China to gain a deeper understanding of the language and the people who speak it. Travel to China if you have the opportunity, or visit your local Chinatown to practice your language skills and experience authentic Chinese cuisine. Attend Chinese festivals and cultural events to learn more about the customs and traditions. The more you engage with Chinese culture, the more meaningful and rewarding your language learning journey will be. Learning Mandarin may be challenging, but it's also an incredibly rewarding and enriching experience. By following these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the language in a fun, engaging, and enjoyable way. So, Zhenzhua Qilai, cheer up, and jiao, keep going, because your Mandarin adventure has just begun. Thanks for joining us on this journey through China. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe for more videos and let us know your questions or suggestions in the comments. With your help, we can share the wonders of this incredible country with the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.